Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials to your account, then sign in into OnlyFans. Now, on your screen, on the top right corner, you're gonna see two icons. Go ahead and select the search icon from there, then look for the user's name, then find the user's account and go to their profile. Once you do that, right below their cover picture, you're gonna see unblock user options. Just go ahead and select the unblock user option, then you'll successfully unblock someone on OnlyFans. And guys, that's it. That's how you unblock someone on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.